Got original 1963 Corvette radio. This is a 1 year only. It's an AM Wonder Bar, and we've done a small few changes to it, but we want to keep it as original as possible. This is going to be judged. We got a original 10 ohm speaker here I wanted to try out, so we got it connected to that. It's got the original plugs, light plug, everything in it, and it does have AM and FM. We're going to leave it on AM. We got a switch down here that you can't hardly see that you push to change. Toner and all still work. Your push buttons, your presets, everything still works. Now this one here has a tube elimination. In other words, it's going to warm up. It's got to warm up before it comes on. You can hear a slight buzz from your speaker when you first turn it on. There's a slight buzz there. Now it's going to warm up. Takes just a few seconds. There it comes in. Treble and bass like you've always had. Wonder bar and all still works. Sensitivity still works. Push button still works.
But sometimes
you're on AM.
You're them denying those things. And turn.
Now I always have trouble on Corvette radios. Make sure your antenna's in good shape, because you're going to be running AM. It takes more. It takes a good antenna to have AM radio. This one's got a switch. If you want to go to FM, all the owner's got to do, if he wants to have fun in it instead of judging, just push that little switch. Nice, now you're on FM.
Here's who your best friends. Hey, really for me.
The fact, though, yeah.
You have choices. We do more than
back to AM. Flip that little switch. AM radio. And when you first turn it on, it's got a little delay there. It's got to warm up. You'll hear a little buzzing out of your speakers. And then it's going to warm up, come on just like it's supposed to.
For making heat and air.
Realize that
El 19 de enero. More time sexy?
so much stress in our life.
Bass and treble. And that's basically how it works. We're just making a radio sound good and work good. It's got one channel out like they did back in the 63s. A 6x9 in there. It just is, it's there for you to judge, have fun at your car shows. It does have FM in it. If you want to ride around, just reach underneath the dash there and flip that little switch.
Today to get started.
FM.
Some requirements apply. Annual.
AM.
Nobody true.
Really long wait list, and that is, hopefully something that will change in the future.
I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.
Next year, OHSU will welcome 2 fellows from out of